Good morning. Today we'll start with maximum depth of binary tree. Given the root of a binary tree, return its maximum depth. A binary tree's maximum depth is the number of nodes along the longest path from the root node down to the farthest leaf. So this one would be a 3, 1, 2, 3. This one would be 2 because it only has 2 along a path. Okay, so first thing I want to do is I'm going to use recursion with this, and I want to handle the one leaf case. So if I started at a root that is a leaf, then that root has a length of 1. So if root dot left is none and root dot right is none, then I can return length of 1. The number of nodes could be 0, so I have to handle the no nodes case also. If root is none, return 0. Okay, so if we have a branch, then I need to check the left and the right and return the max of those two plus 1. So here I'll do return max root dot left, max of, let's do self dot max depth root dot left. Let's break this up for readability. And then self dot max depth root dot right. And we'll add 1 to that. And I think that's all there is to it. So we start at node 3. It is not none, and these are not true. So we go down to here. And we're going to call max depth. Max depth left is a 9. Root dot left is none. And right is none, so we just return 1. So max depth left is 1. Then we go max depth right. And that is not going to satisfy this. So we go on, and we get a 1 from here and a 1 from here. That gets added, and we return 2, and then 2 is higher than 1, so that returns a 3. So now the question is, what if 15 has a left but not a right? In that case, root dot left is not none and right is none, but we skip that. We go on to here, we get 1 from left, and max depth root dot right is none, therefore we get 0. The max is 1, and so this should work. and it passed the test is, and 91%. Most people didn't use recursion, therefore they didn't need any extra memory. So recursion used 17 megabytes versus there we go. We could use 16 megabytes. That's not a big deal. So I'm pretty low, but only by a megabyte. Okay. Well, that was quick and easy. Thank you for joining me.